Today we are painting a peaceful sunset lake scene using gouache. We'll create a vibrant sky with blue, yellow and purple tones, add a large tree as the focal point and finish with reflections and greenery around the water. This painting is a beginner friendly and can be completed with just few colors. Let's begin. Let's start with the sky. I'm using blue color to cover the surface for the sky and the reflections, followed by soft purple tone. Blend the blue gently into the purple, creating a gradual shift from warm to cool colors. Don't overwork the blending. A few visible strokes can add character and atmosphere to the sky. I'm using primary yellow and light yellow to create glowy sky and the reflection. For the lake, reflect the colors directly beneath the sky using horizontal brush strokes. Place yellow reflection under the yellow sky, purple beneath the purple section and blue beneath the blue. Keep your strokes horizontal and loose. Water reflections don't need perfect symmetry. Small variations make the scene feel more natural. To frame the scene, let's add greenery around the lake. I'm using purple dark green to paint loose bushes along the shoreline. Then mix a lighter green to add highlights on top of some areas. The contrast between dark and light greens create dimension. Also adding reflection using the same colors to enhance the scenery. Let's add the main focal point of the painting, a large tree. Start with the branches outward and downward position. Keep them irregular and natural. Then add trunk using a dark brown and nearly black mixture. Place the tree slightly off center rather than directly in the middle. Allow some gaps within the canopy so the sky can peek through. The small openings make a tree lighter and more realistic. Now add the tree's reflection in the water using the same colors as the tree. Soften the strokes with clean brush moving horizontally. This creates gentle reflection effect. Add a few small highlights in the water using white color. Keep them subtle. Let's create soft yellow sun and its reflection in the water using primary yellow and white combination to create soft glow. Also highlight some of the areas of the tree to reflect the sunshine through the tree. Adding some final touches including some flowers in the foreground. Our peaceful sunset lake painting is complete. The combination of blue, yellow, purple creates a vibrant evening sky while the large tree and reflections bring balance and calm to the scene. I hope you enjoyed painting along with me. If you would like to see more relaxing gouache tutorials, don't forget to like, subscribe and let me know what you would like to paint next. Happy painting and I'll see you in the next tutorial.